Hello to everyone! Today we're going to speak about the nature of foreign accents and how to avoid them. When we talk, every part of our brain plays a role. The pharynx area handles hearing and decoding foreign speech, while the Broca area controls the reproduction of words. Speech, in essence, engages our entire brain. But where is accent stored? Some believe it resides in the gyri of Hershey, the primary auditory cortex. Research by neurobiologist Narli Golestani studying the brain structure in relation to foreign languages reveals interesting findings. Professionals who speak few languages, not necessarily fluently, showed more gyri in the auditory cortex, suggesting the link between brain structure and the language aptitude. A similar result emerged from a 2006 study at the University College London. Native French speakers were asked to distinguish the same sound pronounced with different accents, French and Hindi. Those who performed better had a more extensive gyri of Hershey with a higher volume of white matter. Interesting fact that unlike other gyres, that area cannot be intentionally developed. That potentially explains why some people find it easier to adopt foreign languages than others. People are born with similar vocal apparatus, but in different phonetic environments. For instance, in Spanish or Italian phonetics, the H sound is absent.
Hedgehog. At the jog. At the jog.
So the entire physiology was grown and trained for that specific phonetic environment. The movements of some, like the tongue or lips, are intentional, while the others, like teeth or alveoli, work behind the scenes. Of course, speech isn't complete without the involvement of respiratory organs like trachea, bronchi, and lungs. As infants, we don't distinguish pronunciation differences. That skill develops as we grow. Bilingual children exposed to two languages effortlessly master various articulation patterns. However, reprogramming the vocal apparatus for new skills becomes significantly more challenging for adults. So the best way to master languages is to start early in life. But what to do if you're 20, 30, 50? It's never too late. I myself started to learn English in my late 20s. And since then, I often was complimented about the lack of the strong accent. I'm not a professional linguist or a phonetic expert, but here are my advices. Immerse yourself in your favorite audio activity. I, for one, binged 8 seasons of Star Trek: The Next Generation and had a blast. Regularly record your voice and listen to it. You don't expect to go to the gym and smash 100 pull-ups. You train in advance to achieve it, right? Engage with native speakers. If you cannot travel, go to Speaky or Tandem apps and make some friends there. Fool around. Want a flawless British accent? Watch The Crown and emulate the Queen's phrases, her mimics and mannerisms. In conclusion, celebrate your linguistic fingerprint. Trust me, so many native speakers in love with foreign accents, and live long and prosper.